Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage Garage, flipping the garage, whatever? Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth picker? Have you ever heard of my boy Dave from Kentucky? He picking for that Tesla, the Tesla picker. Well, I just want y'all to know that I'm from Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want y'all to know that we picking in the hood too. Yeah. Hey, I just want to go over some things that I sold. You know, I'm getting off the truck because, you know, it feels good out there. The wind is blowing. You know, it's nice out here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to go over what I sold today. I sold about 11 items. And I don't know if I made a video about this, but I bought this book right here. See this book? The Family Song book? Yeah, I bought it. Like it's brand new. I sold it for $35. It's going to media mail. So it's going to be pretty cheap to ship. It weighs about 2 or 3 pounds. Okay. This probably... I'm glad I got rid of this. I had this for a while. This is a little boy's, damn, the wind blowing hard out here. This is a little boy's, what you call them, tight suits, scuba suits, whatever you call them damn things. I sold this for $25 plus shipping. Damn, the wind blowing pretty hard. Yeah. And I did make a video about the clocks that I sell. I sold this clock for $30. Just sold it. I sell a lot of clocks. I don't give a damn. Told y'all to start picking up these clocks. $35. I paid $2 for them. I paid $3 for this. Yeah, I sold it for $30. I don't know what it is. Some kind of punch. I don't know. Punch through paper, whatever. I sold it. I don't care. No, I mean, I don't know what it does. The person that bought it know what it does, though. I don't. This cap right here. Oh, my God. Let me put that back in there. Yeah, this cap right here. Racing cap. I don't know who this dude is. But I was going through the bins, and I found this cap. It's got the autograph on it, right? I sold this for $25. I paid probably about 50 cents to $1 for this. I saw it had that autograph. So I like going, when people pick through the bins, I like going through it afterwards. You know what I'm saying? The bins is not like the bins here in St. Louis is not like the bins like where Tesla pick at. You know, bins in St. Louis suck. They got all the junk that's left over from the other stores that the other stores didn't sell, and they send them to a place where everybody can pick through them and pick out what they want. Some people find gold in there, they find money, you know. I just go through that sometime. I haven't been there in a while, though, because it sucks. I sold this little thing right here for $7. Little construction book. I don't know what this little kid book, construction book for $7 plus free shipping. It costs $2 something to ship. I sold another one of the paracord bracelets. Yeah, I've been selling these. Well, I got about 50 of them left. But I've been selling these paracord bracelets right here. I sold it for, I want to say it was $12. I'm not sure. I'll put it on the screen. Y'all know, I told y'all I say about 3 video games a day. But it still ain't putting a dent in my video games. You know. I've been trying not to sell this one. Well, I mean, not this one. But this one right here is brand new in the package. Brand new, never been opened. This sold for $20. Salvation. I sold this one brand new in a pack. This sold for $19.99. Hold on. Let me put it on screen because I forgot what I sold these for. So I'm just going to post them on the screen. I don't want to be blurting out no numbers. You know what I'm saying? But this one right here, I was surprised how much this sold for, you know. I've been having these games. Y'all know I've been having these games for years. I've been selling. That's all I started off selling on YouTube. I mean, not YouTube, on eBay was games. I started selling games. I had most of these games for over mostly all of them over 15 years or longer, and I've been buying them, ever since then. I'll tell you a secret, go to Target, and they probably not like they used to be, but on the end caps, over in electronics, they have clearance. And some of these video games be like $4.99, stuff like that, and I would get them, and I'd sell them for $30, $25, right at Christmas time. That's what I would do. But anyway, over the years, I accumulated a lot of games, and I got a lot of games. But this one right here, Splatterhouse, I sold this for $45. I was looking on there, and they sell them for $65 brand new, $70 brand new, whatever. So I put mine on the fit for $45. Somebody bought it, $45. So if you ever come across this game, what is it? Splatterhouse. Pick that up. Let me see what else I got. I think that's it. I think that might be it, y'all. But anyway, yeah. Just want to talk to y'all for a minute. See if y'all being safe out there wearing a mask and stuff like that. See, I'm out here in the fresh air. In the fresh air. Smell it. Ain't no corona right here. You know what I'm saying? Woo, the air feel good. But anyway, yeah, see how lovely it is out here? Yeah. That's one of the reasons why I like driving out here. First of all, I park these trailers. You see all these trailers over there? I pull these trailers and put them in the doors so they can unload them. Automotive parts, But yeah, sometimes I get off the truck and I walk, get my exercise in. Like today, it's kind of slow. So, but if I was on the road, if I was like, I got a handyman business, y'all know that. So my handyman, I got a YouTube page, a Facebook page, my handyman business, 911 handyman service. Off-duty fireman, on duty for you. Anyway, so if I was driving just a regular truck driving job, sometimes I'll be out there for 10 hours and I won't be able to do my handyman business the next day. So that's why I got this spotter job. So I get here, but now they changed the hours since COVID. I used to get here at 4 and get off at 12:30 in the morning. Now they want you here at 2:30 and you get off at 11. Okay, so I get off at 11 and I get home, go to bed, get 6 hours sleep, get up, and then I go doing my little handyman. You know what I'm saying? So it's convenient for me, So, but anyway, I just want to holler at you guys, do a little talk, walk around with the fresh air. So sometimes you got to get out here. You know what I mean? Woo! It feels good. This air feels so delicious. Can you hear it on the mic, the phone mic? Can you hear that? Can you hear the wind blowing? Woo! But anyway, yeah. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Anywhere it goes, subscribe. Where you give a thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe anyway. You know what I'm saying? And this young lady gave me some advice. Talking about sell my stuff. Forget you, I ain't selling my stuff. Talking about you gotta let it go. No, I'm not letting it go. No. But anyway, young lady, thanks for your advice, but I'm not gonna do it. I got something for you this week too. I'm gonna bring another item that I'm not gonna sell. You know what I'm saying? I got plenty of items to sell, young lady. I don't need to sell everything I got. But anyway, I just want to tell y'all, be good out there. Put that mask on. You know what I'm saying? Put that mask on. Save your life, save somebody else's life. But anyway, I just want to tell y'all that we picking in the hood too. Yeah. Bye, y'all.